Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a coin is tossed 400 times and it is found that head comes up 200 times and tail 200 times. What is the probability of getting a head if such a coin is tossed? Okay. Now, a coin is tossed 400 times. Then, total number of times that tail appears is 200. So, the probability of getting head is P of H equals to 200 divided by 400, that is 1/2.